Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the best budget OCF off-camera flash setup that you can get. And you know what? This Godox AD200 is probably the best setup you can get for the budget. Stay for the end and I'm going to show you some samples with the AD200. I'll get to why I love the AD200 so much, but I'm going to talk about the specs real quick. The AD200 is about 6 inches long, 3 inches wide, and about 2 inches thick. It's actually really portable too. It's just a little bigger than my phone. I have the OnePlus 7T and you can just see how portable this flash is compared to like the other flashes in its class. At full charge, Godox is claiming it gets about 500 shots, which I think is way more than enough, especially if you're just doing portraits. But if you're doing like weddings or you're gonna be in an event for 4 to 5 hours and getting more than 500 shots, I would definitely suggest getting another battery for it. It can go from 128 to 1.1 power, which is pretty nice. And like I said, I'll give you some samples at the end of this video. So one of the many reasons why I like the AD200 so much is that it's lightweight, it's portable, and it's actually pretty easy to use once you get the hang of it. I would highly recommend just playing around with the AD200 first and learn your setups and see what kind of pictures and the settings you need before you really get to use it. I played with it for about a good hour or two. I really got the hang of just really using the AD200, and then I got my umbrellas. And one of the things I like about the AD200 too is that it does high-speed sync flash, HSS. You hear that a lot, or high-speed sync, and that's really good because you can go past 1/250 as the shutter. With those built-in flash, I believe some cameras can only go to 1/250 or 1/320 shutter speed, but with the Godox AD200 you can go all the way past 1/4000 or even to 1/8000 shutter speed. And that's what's so nice about the AD200 is that you can shoot this in a bright daylight, sun up top, super bright, and you can put your aperture really wide open, and you can put your shutter speed very high, and you can use this AD200 to really light the model just like this. And one of the things I like about it too is the recycle time is actually really nice too, especially if you're at full power. The recycle time is about 1 second, maybe half a second. So the recycle time is actually really fast on this. So currently I'm using the Bowens S-mount adapter. You can purchase these umbrellas as long as they have the Bowens S-mount bracket, like I'll show you here. So far I have 2 umbrellas, a 24-inch and a 34-inch umbrella. These both have the Bowens S-mount bracket. So if you're interested, click on the links below, and that's pretty much all my setup right there. They're really budget friendly compared to other umbrella and softboxes out there as well. So there's really nothing bad about the AD200, especially if you're looking for an OCF setup. Again, I would highly recommend the AD200. It's lightweight, it's portable, it does high-speed sync flash, and it's strong enough to use during our super bright day as well. So if you have the AD200, comment below and let me know what you think about it. I'm curious to know what you think about your AD200. And for those that don't have it, I'll have links below where you can purchase one. And like I said, I highly recommend it if you're just starting to get into off-camera flash. Invest in this AD200. I've used a few of these bead lights. I have used the Yongnuos, I've used the Nikon SB600s, 700s, and I'm kind of glad that I went with the AD200 just because, you know, this is really good for portraits outside, and these are actually really good for like events and parties, which I would still keep too. This one's a little busted up though. I would definitely pick one of these up if you're moving around for weddings and events. This is perfectly fine, but this AD200, I know people have used it for weddings and portraits. This one is going to be a really good flash for your events or portrait photography. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Again, thanks for watching, and just stay tuned. I'm gonna show you some samples of the AD200. Thanks again. See ya.